Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing bell notification, like the channel, subscribe, and share to get that truth and information you need in this manipulated and orchestrated by the criminal gangster cryptocurrency and commodities market. You need old Vincenzo here to give you truth and education and information to make the best decision you need to navigate this market and to 10x, 20x, and 100x your portfolio. Bell notification, comment down below, subscribe, and share on this 11th day of March 2024 on a crystal clear blue skies on a seasonably mild 68 degrees in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois, right? And it's a green day, and the prices are pumping and the coins are moving. And we told you back in the day, if you go look through our history, that we had the 2024, 2025 coins to own in the bull market after the multi-year bear market, and the algo is up another 13.45%. The H-bar is up 4%. The XRP is up 17%. It's been up greater than 20% today. AMP is up 27%. Ethereum is up another 4 or 5% today. And the Bitcoin, of course, is at a new all-time high. It's breached 72,000, hit 73,000 almost earlier today. And Bitcoin's probably on its way to at least $100,000 in 2024. And the rest of the crypto sphere is going to continue to pump and going to continue to move. And that's why we stressed, and that's why we talked and pounded our fist at the table during the last bull market and then going into an extended bear market about trying to get you out ahead of what a bear market was going to be, when the bear market was going to happen, and to try to get you out ahead of all these fleece heisters and shysters that at the top of the last double top, they were telling you we were going and continuing into the new Super Bowl cycle where we would never have a bear cycle again, and then we had a devastating bear market that Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing kept you out ahead of. And then we accumulated 20,300 coins during the bear market at an average price of 12 cents. So we are currently up 28% on XLM, and we have 20,500 coins in our position, right? We're making a little trade with Ethereum Classic right now, but that's just a quick swing trade. Then we have 162 Rivian, right? But nobody cares about that here, but I think that's a great buy and a great play with the technology in the EV market that will eventually take off, but you got to buy it on the floor. You got to buy it before everybody wants it. But then we have 5100 Algo, and we bought that last year and forgot about it, so we only have that many, but we're up 129% and moving. We have some XRP as well. We're up 13% in our XRP. What else do we got? We got a little bit of Hendra, right? And we're doing pretty good on that too. We're up 18% on Hendra, right? But we bought these in the bear market a little bit at a time. They weren't one-time purchases. They were like XLM was $6.66 in XLM. I don't know, for 8 or 9 months. Listen to that Hemi. He's on that freeway right there. You don't need to get over Semi. Semi doesn't need to get over. Semi, the old Dodge, the old Hemi with 125,000 miles on her, can still go from 40 to 85 on the on-ramp. Like it's nothing. Just like the crypto and the Bitcoin has pumped and skyrocketed to an all-time high, right? And then old Vincenzo pivoted from his bear market strategy into his bull market strategy by accumulating coins. And you can see we've had the all-time high. And now what we got to watch is, you can see there's where the halvening is about to happen. Wait a minute, that got moved. That is not when the halvening is going to happen. The halvening is happening over here. I don't know why that got moved. It's over here next month. But usually, this is the first time ever in the cryptos and the Bitcoin that leading into a Bitcoin halvening, we've hit a new all-time high. Usually we go bullish off of our bear market bottom and have a nice rally, but then we level off or even consolidate down leading into the halvening, but we've never created a new all-time high prior to the new halvening, and we did that this time. So this cycle is completely different than all the other cycles. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens, and does Bitcoin continue to go to the upside, and do we get over $100,000 by the time 2024 is over, and I think we do. I think by the end of 2024 we're over $100,000, and the only question would be then, do we get closer to $250,000 by the end of the year, or do we have a big consolidation first and we lose 40 or 50 or 60% somewhere in the middle between now and the end of the year? That keeps us from getting to $250,000 this year, and that might not be till the next bull cycle, right? But speaking of that, the coins. Look at XLM. I think we have a lot of room to run in XLM. I think this bull market in XLM has just started, and I think conservatively in XLM we're coming up into this green trading zone before it's all set and done, before a massive consolidation could happen, and that's another 162.99% up. I think we're getting into that old green trading range where we had major upper resistance and major support and consolidation zone way back in the coin's history, right? You can see one time we had it back there, and then another time we had it after the big pump and the consolidation that led into a steady big bear market, right? And this is when old Vincenzo bought all of his coins down there, right? And now we're starting to ride the train to the upside. Algo, again, we're up 135%, and I think Algo, too, could also go up another 150%, maybe 200%, getting in or above the green trading range over the next 3 to 6 weeks, and I think that's the same thing with XLM in the next 3 to 6 weeks. H-bar, I think H-bar is leading the pack between XLM and Algo, even though Algo is up better than 100%. H-bar is up better than 200%, and it's made it to the next level in the weekly. It's broken the moving averages, and I think this is exactly what in 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. This is the same way that XLM is going to look, where it's up 200 to 400% as this bull market continues, the bear market fizzles, and everyone's happy. And XRP is on the brink of having a catastrophic, major push to the upside, where FOMO will be at its all-time high. The retail traders will start to pump into this coin, and it'll start to force. And you'll notice there will be a day where the price is pumping, the news is all positive, the judge starts to make some hints or makes a big statement, and in an orchestrated way, we're going to have a hyper pump. And I think we're going to be reaching all-time highs. And the XRP price, within the next 6 to 8 months, I think we're going to reach $3.28. And you don't want to buy into the FOMO. You want to stick with the truth and information that you need to successfully trade this market to profitability, understanding that it's buying and holding. It's hitting when the price is down, it's buying when the news is negative, and it's accumulating more when the price tanks, and then just setting and forgetting, and let the thing happen, let the music play out, let the noise and manipulation and the stories and the headlines shoot, and you just sit back, sip that coffee, smoke a fatty, and collect that profit, which is easy to no stress. Super simple and easy technical analysis. Like, subscribe, and share it to my lovely, beautiful audience. Peace and love.